Hi everyone.
Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran, and we're both in our 80s and we're all about healthy aging. Today we're going to share with you our own morning routine to strengthen our upper body and core. Our hope is that you will join us every day or two so we can all stay fit together. So grab your weights, or if you don't have weights, you can use a couple cans of food and use a sturdy chair with no arms or wheels. Just follow along with us. Let's get started right now.
So Fran, let's start our series of 8 different exercises, and what would be the first one?
Okay, so pick up your weights. You can use anything that you want, either weights, and if you don't have any weights, you can use cans of food. But put your arms close to your body, and we're going to do what's called simple curls. So just on an exhale, bring your hands up and inhale down. 9, 8.
So we're going to do
7,
10 repetitions of each
6,
exercise today. And we don't
5,
rush through this. We take our time.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Our next exercise is going to be what we call push up into a V and pull down into a W. And here's how it looks. Keeping your arms close to your body, weights up, lift up into a V and pull down into a W. Inhaling as you come down, exhaling as you go up. 9, 8, 7.
Don't forget to keep your posture
6,
nice and upright. Keep the chest up.
5, 4.
It might be hard, but a little smile on your lips helps.
3, 2, 1. Good. Our third exercise is what we call arm lifts. So put your arms straight down, and we're going to lift them up to our shoulders. 10, 9, 8,
Again, keep a good posture.
7,
Chest up,
6,
belly tight.
5,
Strengthening the arms here and the shoulders.
4, 3, getting heavy, huh? 2, and 1. A little harder when you pull those weights out to the side, but it's good for your arms, makes them stronger. Now, the next one we're going to do is punching. So bring your weights right in front of your chest, and what we're going to do is we're going to punch with one hand and then come back and punch with the other. So it's 10, 9, 8,
So the punch here should be out and diagonal a little bit.
7, 6,
And your upper torso could move from side to side, just a little bit,
5,
slanting a little bit each time.
4, 3,
It's a really good exercise, builds strength in the arms.
2, and 1. Good.
Whoops, I kept going.
Okay.
Do I get extra
You got
credit?
extra credit for that
Good.
one. Okay. Our next exercise is what we call elbows up. And it's really good for your shoulders, your rotator cuff, and it helps to make your arms stronger. So with the weights right in front of you, we're just going to keep our arms bent, and we're going to lift our elbows up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. Now, we did a simple curl before. Now we're going to do what we call a crossover curl. So again, with your arms down by your sides and the weights right in front of you, we're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Don't forget to keep breathing.
7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay. Now, one of my favorites. So put one of the weights down and spread your knees just a little bit. And we're going to put the weight down by the opposite foot. And then we're going to bring it up and over.
So here, try to reach down as far as you can, and you're bending down from the waist. If you can't go down all the way to the floor, just go down as far as you can in a slow and measured pace.
7,
When you come up, the elbow comes up first and then extend up, diagonally up and out.
5,
And the exhale should be when you lift.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now, put the weight in the opposite hand. We're going to do the same thing in the other direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Just one more exercise. So pick up that other weight again.
Our last exercise is called punch and fly. So there's two parts to the exercise. And we start, by the way, be sure you're at the front end of your chair and lean back slightly. And keep the core as tight as you can, the stomach muscles tight, as if you were going to be hit by someone in the belly and get punched. Keep it tight so you're strong. So we start by holding the weights in front of your chest and then punch forward, open, together again and back.
10.
So it's punch, fly, close, and
9.
back. Punch, open, and
8.
back.
7.
Of course, we kept the most
6.
difficult of the exercises to last. We think this
5.
one's a little tough, so do your best with it. If you can't do all 10,
4.
just do as many as you can. If the weights get too heavy, just
3.
put them down and just do it with no weights.
2.
Ah,
1. Yes.
that was the one I was looking for. You guys did a great job. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again, and you continue to do these lessons with us every time.